Welcome to my channel, Unique Bundle. Have you ever wondered what you actually can do with iPhone's notes? As you can see, I am designing with the help of iPhone notes. Don't you think? Is that simple? Here I am going to show you what we can do with iPhone notes. First up, open Notes, select any of your note, tap on three-dot line, then tap on Lock. You can lock your note with passcode. Exactly like that, if you want to remove passcode. Open Note again, tap on 3 lines, then tap on Remove. Next coming up, you can add your signature in any document. Tap on here, on pencil, tap on plus sign, then tap on Add Signature. Tap on Add or Remove Signature. As you can see here, I already have a signature. I am deleting it, and add a new one. Exactly like that. You can resize your signature, simply tap and hold on point, and drag it like that. To reposition, tap and hold in the middle, and move around anywhere you want to place it. If you want to remove it, and add new one, tap on 3-dot line here and delete it. Moving on, open Notes again, you can add photo or video in your note. Tap on camera icon, then tap on choose photo or video. From your photo gallery, you can add any of your photo or video. If you want to make your photo smaller, tap and hold on image and tap on small image. If you want to make bigger size, follow the same process. Here you can see, your note has been saved with photo. If you want delete image, tap and hold on image and hit delete. Alright, next up, tap on 3-dot line here, tap on select notes, you can select many notes simply, tap, and drag up, or down, like this. If you need to delete, you can delete them at once. To bring them back, go to recently deleted, tap on edit, select them, tap on move, then tap on notes. All of them have been recovered again into notes. Okay, moving forward, tap here on 3 dots, tap on view as gallery, you can view your notes as gallery. To go back, view as list. You can follow same process. Next one is, you can share notes, simply taping, and hold, select wherever you want to share. Now, this is one of most important, you can pin your important notes, and they will always stay on top, simply like this. If you need to, unpin multiple notes same time, selects multiple notes, and then, tap and hold on, one of the notes, tap on unpin 4 notes. Moving on, you can also apply this rules to alternate notes selection. Exactly like this. Follow the same procedure, if you need to unpin them. Next up, important one, if you don't like typing, use voice typing. Tap on this microphone, start typing with your voice, simple like this. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Unique Bundle. Next one, if you tap twice on screen, it will select last 2 word of paragraph, if you don't have full stop at the end. If you tap 3 times, it will select whole paragraph. On the other hand, if you have full stop at the end, double tap will select only last word. Because it counts full stop as 1 word. Moving on, if you select any word, you can put underline, change into bold, italic, as well if you need to. Next up, select word, you can replace it with suggested words. Again, select any of your words, and if you don't know the meaning of this word, you can directly search web, simply like this. This is cool, right? Next one is, you can translate into other languages like this. Selects any languages which are available. There are heaps of languages, if you don't see which is you looking for, you can always download the language you looking for. Finally, you can design something in Notes. Create new notes, tap on Pencil, tap on plus sign, tap on Add Shape, select any of these shape. Tap on any of the point, and drag it to make bigger or smaller. To reposition, tap on Middle and drag around, where you need to place it. You can fill the color like this, select Outline Color as well. Resize outline size, as per your need. Tap on Pencil, tap on Ruler, reposition your ruler, with 2 fingers, select Pencil, select the size of lines, then select the color. Now you can draw the line like this. Follow same procedure for all lines drawing. Choose Eraser tool to erase unwanted part of the drawing. Tap and hold on Erase tool and choose size of erase. Tap and hold on Screen and start moving your finger to erase unwanted part. As per your requirements, choose any of pen, choose line size, choose color. Here you go, you are able to write something as you need. Looks pretty cool, isn't it? Again, you can add more shape. Any of colors, sliders, spectrum and grid. It depends on your need. Last on the list, you can set custom password for your notes other than your iPhone login password. From the setting, go to Notes, go to Password, tap on Use Custom Password. From here you can set separate password to lock your notes. Exactly like this. For the bonus tutorial, you can sort your notes in many ways: default, date edited, date created, title, latest first, oldest first, etc. Final bonus is, you can set 4-digit password instead of 6 digits. Tap on Setting, tap on Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode, scroll down, tap on Change Passcode, enter your old passcode. Here you can see 6-digit option, you can make if 4, tapping on Passcode option, tap on 4-digit. Now, it has changed into 4-digit. I hope you have learned something useful with my video. Please, like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, Unique Bundle. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again, with next video coming soon.